Hi everyone, welcome to the OpenEMR tutorial on setting up single sign-on or SSO using Okta's authentication service. First, a quick overview of what SSO is and why we want it. SSO allows users to authenticate just once with one set of credentials to access multiple applications. This enhances security since users only need to manage one very strong password. It also makes logging in much faster since you avoid entering passwords repeatedly. In this video, we have used the Okta application, and once it's been configured, users will be able to log into a central Okta portal to gain access to all connected applications. First, log into your OpenEMR account. Then, navigate to the admin section and select Users. Click on Add Users Now. Fill in the username, email ID, first name, and last name. Proceed to fill in the password and confirm it in the respective fields. Once completed, click Save. Upon saving, the credentials will be automatically added to Okta. Subsequently, when users attempt to access OpenEMR, they'll be redirected to Okta to log in. To check it out, visit the OpenEMR login page and click on the SSO login button. Enter the username and password. After entering the credentials, you'll notice that it redirects back to OpenEMR, providing users with a seamless single login experience across the entire suite of applications. For setting up SSO for your application, feel free to contact Capminds to secure your application today.